The first rays of the morning sun pierce through the window of YN's room, waking her gently. The rhythmic clang of swords clashing draws her from her bed, curiosity pulling her to the window. She parts the curtains slightly, peeking out into the courtyard below. There, amidst the golden glow of dawn, stands Jungkook, practicing sword play with one of the Indian soldiers. His movements are fluid, precise, and powerful, each strike and parry a testament to his skill as a warrior. He is dressed in a sleeveless top that clings to his form, highlighting his well-defined biceps and muscular build. Sweat glistens on his skin, catching the morning light and making him appear almost ethereal. YN's heart flutters at the sight. She feels butterflies in her stomach as she watches him, admiring his strength and grace. His focused expression, the way his hair sticks slightly to his forehead, and the sheer intensity of his presence captivate her entirely. She bites her lip, lost in the moment, feeling an unfamiliar yet pleasant warmth spread through her. As Jungkook's sword meets his opponent's with a resounding clash, YN is mesmerized by his prowess. She continues to watch, her eyes drinking in every detail, until she suddenly feels a wave of shyness wash over her. She quickly turns away from the window, her cheeks flushing with embarrassment at being so entranced. Turning around, she's startled at the sight of Mira standing silently by the door, a knowing smile playing on her lips. Into the courtyard, the morning sun casting a golden glow on her as she strides confidently in her practice attire. Her presence immediately catches Jungkook's attention, and his focus wavers. The soldier he's sparring with notices the distraction and stops, turning to bow respectfully to YN. YN acknowledges the soldier's bow with a nod, her eyes then locking onto Jungkook. She strides forward, her gaze steady and filled with determination. Words cut through the air, carrying both a gentle reprimand and a hint of challenge. Jungkook, momentarily taken aback, nods in understanding. YN then turns, her movements graceful yet purposeful, and walks to the other side of the courtyard where her instructor awaits. She approaches her instructor, she takes a deep breath, readying herself for the practice ahead. Her instructor, a seasoned warrior with years of experience, greets her with a respectful bow and prepares for their session. YN's heart races with a mix of excitement and nerves. She can feel Jungkook's eyes on her, but she pushes the thought aside, focusing on her training. With each swing of her sword, she grows more confident, the weight of the blade becoming an extension of her own strength. Jungkook stands in the courtyard, his eyes fixed on YN as she practices with her instructor. The sight is both shocking and impressive to him. In Korea, princesses were not typically trained in such martial skills, and seeing YN wield a sword as YN moves with precision, her sword slicing through the air with a fierce elegance. Each swing of her blade reflects her dedication and strength, qualities he hadn't expected to find in a princess. It's a stark contrast to the sheltered lives led by Korean princesses, who are kept away from such training. Jungkook's respect for YN grows with every passing moment. Her focus, her resolve, and her ability to command attention in the courtyard make him realize just how different and special she is. Jungkook continues to watch. He can't help but feel a deep admiration for YN. She is not just a princess, she is a warrior, a leader, and someone who defies expectations. After some time, the instructor and soldier leave the courtyard. It becomes a quiet, intimate space, leaving Jungkook and YN alone. YN, still catching her breath from the intense practice, feels the weight of her exertion, while Jungkook stands tall, his breathing steady, showcasing his strength and endurance. YN approaches Jungkook, her eyes gleaming with determination. She stands tall despite the weariness weighing her down. Jungkook's eyes narrow slightly, a hint of a smile playing on his lips at her boldness. He respects her spirit and understands the significance of this moment for her. They both take their stances, YN's grip tightening on her sword despite the fatigue in her muscles. Jungkook, ever composed, readies himself for her attack. For a moment, they simply stand there, the tension palpable in the air. YN makes the first move, her sword cutting through the air with determination. Jungkook blocks her easily but is impressed by her technique. He counters with a swift, controlled strike, which YN parries, though with evident strength. Their swords clash repeatedly, the sound of metal ringing through the courtyard. YN's movements are graceful yet powerful, her determination shining through her tiredness. Jungkook, meanwhile, fights with a controlled strength, ensuring not to overpower her completely but still pushing her limits. YN stands, breathing heavily, yet a smile plays on her lips as she looks at Jungkook. Her chest rises and falls rapidly, but her eyes are alight with the thrill of the fight. He moves closer, his presence almost overwhelming. YN feels her heart race as he gently adjusts her position. His hands are firm yet careful as they guide her shoulders back and reposition her feet. Jungkook leans in slightly, his voice lowering as he offers guidance to YN. His demeanor is supportive yet firm, his eyes intent on helping. YN nods, trying to concentrate on his instructions despite the fluttering sensation in her chest. Jungkook steps back slightly, giving her space to practice the corrected stance. She takes a deep breath and resets her posture, this time feeling more grounded and confident. Jungkook continues to guide YN. He becomes increasingly engrossed in the training. His focus on her form and technique leads him to move closer and closer, unintentionally invading her personal space. YN's heartbeat quickens, and she can feel the warmth of his breath on her skin. The proximity is both exhilarating and distracting, making it hard for her to concentrate on the practice. Finally, after several minutes of intense sparring, YN's fatigue catches up with her. She stumbles slightly, and Jungkook seizes the moment to disarm her gently, his sword coming to rest just above her shoulder. Jungkook lowers his sword with a deliberate motion, his expression reflecting both respect and admiration. He gazes at YN with sincere appreciation for her efforts. YN nods, feeling a mix of relief and disappointment. She gathers her things and starts to leave the courtyard, her thoughts still lingering on the intense moment they share. Jungkook watches YN leave the courtyard, a sense of unease settles in his chest. He leans against the training post, his mind swirling with conflicting emotions. Despite his growing admiration for her courage and determination, he is acutely aware of the vast divide between them. She, a princess destined for a life of royalty and responsibility, and he, a mere servant bound by duty and honor. Jungkook, this can't happen. She's a princess, and I'm just a servant. He whispered, running hand through his hair, frustration evident in his furrowed brow. The realization that his feelings for her might be more than admiration unsettles him deeply. He knows the consequences of such emotions. They could jeopardize everything he has worked for, everything that defines his role in the palace. Jungkook, I can't afford to fall in love with her. It's forbidden, impossible. Yet, try as he might to suppress his feelings, memories of their moments together flash through his mind. Her smile, the way she looks when she is determined, the sound of her voice, each memory tugs at his heart, making him question the boundaries he must uphold. He shakes his head, trying to dispel the thoughts that threaten to consume him. Duty has always been his anchor, guiding his every action and decision. Falling for a princess would only complicate his life, and hers. Jungkook, I have to be strong. I can't let my heart betray my duty. With a heavy sigh, Jungkook straightens up and resumes his training, using the sword as a physical outlet for the turmoil within. Each strike, each movement helps to refocus his mind, reminding him of the discipline and control he must maintain. In evening, Mira and YN prepare to visit the temple. Mira, standing by her dressing table, wears her jewelry. She turns to YN with a contemplative expression, her eyes reflecting a hint of mischief. Mira, a princess from a neighboring kingdom, had been her best friend since childhood. Frequent visits between their kingdoms meant Mira and Arjun, YN's brother, YN had always seen the spark between them and had done everything she could to fan the flames. With renewed determination, YN nods and heads towards her room to prepare, the excitement slowly replacing her earlier apprehension. As she begins to choose her attire for the evening, the thought of spending time with King Taehyung brings a soft blush to her cheeks. The evening promises to be special, and with Mira's support, she feels ready to embrace it. After YN leaves the room, Mira takes a deep breath, feeling a sense of fulfillment. She turns back to the mirror to make a final adjustment to her attire when she hears the door to the chamber open and close softly. A familiar warmth spreads through her as Prince Arjun steps into the room. Without a word, Arjun moves behind Mira, wrapping his strong arms around her waist in a gentle back hug. He rests his chin on her shoulder, his presence comforting and reassuring. After Arjun's reluctant agreement, he gazes at Mira with a mixture of admiration and love. The intensity of the moment draws him closer, his eyes softening as he leans in to kiss her. Mira blushes, her cheeks turning a delicate shade of pink, but just as their lips are about to meet, she playfully pushes him away. With a quick, affectionate glance back at Meera, Arjun heads out of the chamber, now even more motivated to secure the permission needed for YN and King Taehyun's visit to the temple. Meera watches him go, a sense of relief and anticipation filling her heart as she prepares for the evening ahead.